Who says a healthy cake can't be rich and fragrant? This time, the nutritionist challenge is oil-free and low in sugar, made in a completely natural way, to recreate a true Singapore pandan cake. Without a drop of essence, yet even more fragrant and intense than imagined. Fresh pandan leaves are the soul of its color and flavor. First, wash them clean. Then cut them into small pieces. Blend with water until smooth. Strain the mixture. Then refrigerate it in a covered container for 48 hours. After resting, the layers become clearly separated. A light watery layer stays on top, while the concentrated essence settles at the bottom. Now keep your hands steady and slowly pour away the top layer. Leave only the rich essence at the bottom. Separate the whites and yolks from 5 eggs. Add coconut milk and pandan essence into the yolks. And mix well. The flour and cornstarch measurements are listed below. Sift them first. Until you get this texture. Add 2 drops of white vinegar while whipping the egg whites. Add the coconut sugar in 3 batches. Until stiff peaks form and won't fall when turned upside down. Take 1/3 of the meringue and fold it into the green yolk batter. Use a whisk in a zigzag motion to gently combine. Never stir in circles. Repeat the same method with another third. Then pour the batter back into the remaining meringue. Switch to a spatula and fold from bottom to top. Make sure every part is evenly blended. Line the mold with parchment paper. Then pour in the batter. Place it into the preheated oven. Bake at 140 degrees Celsius for the first 15 minutes. Once the surface starts to crack slightly, lower the temperature to 120 degrees Celsius and continue baking. The total baking time is 1 hour. Every oven behaves differently, so adjust as needed. This cake contains no added vegetable oil. The only fats come naturally from coconut milk and egg yolks. Refined sugar is replaced with mineral-rich coconut sugar. This whole food combination gives the sweetness more depth, with a warm caramel-like richness underneath. The freshness of pandan, the richness of coconut milk, and the smooth natural oils come together in perfect harmony. There's no artificial sweetness, only deep and satisfying flavor. A natural yet explosive experience for the senses. Honestly, I'm a little excited. Words can hardly capture how amazing this tastes. If future technology could transmit flavor through video, then right now, you'd already be conquered by this Southeast Asian aroma. Lastly, here's a tip for getting the perfect cake slice. Use a serrated cake knife. Rinse the blade with hot water to warm and moisten it. Quickly wipe it dry. Then gently saw back and forth with the remaining warmth. Never press straight down with force. That's how you get a smooth, cloud-like cross-section.